everyone. Welcome to Rishikesh. We are here with our expert guide Raj Singh.
Yeah,
Namaste.
from Yoga Adventures. We found him on TripAdvisor, very highly rated.
Yeah. So let's continue on.
We're going to go on a walking tour of Rishikesh.
Yes.
Let's do this.
Go.
Thank you so much.
Okay?
This is the famous Ram Jhula Bridge
Yes?
for pedestrians.
Yeah. Are we going to go walk over it now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ram Jhula Bridge.
All right, go for it.
Watch out for the scooters and the cows.
Yeah.
And the cows also celebrating Holi here.
Yeah.
Look at this. Woohoo! Holi!
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
We're in the middle now.
Okay. Let's have a look.
And this is the beach.
Is that the sandy beach called Goa Beach?
Yeah.
And what have we got on the other side, Jay? Let's have a look.
Where is the crazy guy? When you jump on the bridge, you can feel it move.
Jump a bit more.
Woohoo!
Anyway,
We are enjoying a lot today. And we are on the bridge now, Ram Jhula. We're going to cross and we are enjoying more to the ashrams.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
What's here, Jay?
lots of ashrams.
Yeah, there's so many along the river, different ones. Which is this one?
Yeah, this ashram, what are you going to see now? This is called Swarg Ashram, and you can see the beautiful ghats over here where the people are come and have a holy bath. That
Yes.
ashram is called Swarg Ashram. The meaning of that, you are walking in heaven because the Pandav was here in very long time.
All right.
Oh,
This is the Samadhi of Guru. This is the Samadhi of Guru.
Jay, can you say that again?
This is the Samadhi of Guru Kali Kamli.
Okay. So he died meditating here and they've kept this shrine for him. Is that right, Raj?
yes, sir. Yes. Jay explained very good actually. I just let you know one thing. This is the biggest guru in India.
Yes.
And he's the one of the guru who have a big land all over India by the name of Kali Kamli. So we are sadhus kind of beggars. We are a little bit hike now. We are going to reach the Guruji's Samadhi where he did meditation.
This is really cool. It's the main thing in the ashram, but it's unfortunately closed for Holi.
Yes.
So Raj, should people come and see this? What is it?
Yes, actually this is the main gaddi of Swamiji. Before to left his body in down there where we saw,
Yes.
we come up, he did meditate here a long time, which is called tapasya.
And what can you see inside here?
And whenever you go inside, you can see the beautiful statue of Swamiji, Kali Kamli. Namaste, and look at this necklace. It is called Rudraksha, which is very famous in India. And I would like to show you here the tree. This is Rudraksh tree. And if you go closer of that, you can see the green seeds over there. So when the trees are dry, the ashram can pluck it and open the things and they get like that.
So they're playing Holi now?
Yeah, they're playing Holi.
ये होली है
All right, where are we, Jay?
I am at Lakshman Jhula.
Another bridge. Not the famous one.
Oh yes.
This is an old one, right?
Yeah, this is all one which is made by the British people, and we are here. And this place you can see the more gathering with the people. And now we are going to cross this, and look at this. Everybody are busy with the Holi.
Yes.
And still we don't get color. We are finally lucky.
Let's catch Jay.
Yeah, let's go. Jay's over there.
ये आगंतुक महान भाव ये ध्यान में कोविड-19 महामारी के लिए गाइडलाइन का पालन करें, पालन करते हुए होली खेलें और संभवतः अधिकतर अपने ग्रुप के साथ परिजनों के साथ होली होली का आनंद अपने परिजनों के साथ ही खेलें या
Happy Holi.
Hello. Happy Holi. Oh,
We're in the middle of the Lakshman Jhula Bridge.
all right. I'll have a look around. Some really famous temples up there. This is the way up the Himalayas.
Oh yeah. 5-minute walk and then we get a good place for drink.
Raj recommended this place at the Divine Rudra Spa.
This is really nice. Look at this. Oh. Like from bottom to top, all our
People
belongs
rafting
to-
down
yeah.
there. Wow, this is nice.
Yeah, this is nice, and we are standing here nearby the Ganges, the Divine Spa Resort.
Jay, you've done a lot of walking, you got really hot.
Yes.
Time for a drink?
Yep.
Cheers.
Cheers. Walking, you can take this auto/tuk-tuk thing home.
All right.
Thanks for giving us a tour around Rishikesh. And you guys, if you're looking for somewhere to go, link in the description.
Yeah,
For
we'll give
Raj.
you Raj and his company Yoga Adventures. We'll put all that below.
Thank
Yes.
you.
Yes?
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
All right.
Thank you so much, guys.
This is the beach on the Ganga, and they call it the Goa Beach.
Okay, oh yeah. It's really sandy.
Let's go.
But it's a bit hot, so we're going for lunch, aren't we?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
You're lucky you might see one of these. Look at the cow's tongue, it's green. Drink.
So Jay, where are we going for lunch?
Yoga
Okay, come on.
Hello, it's evening time. There's loads of shops if you want to go buy stuff.
Here are the rafters coming back into town from the day out.
Hello, we're here to wait for the, what's it called again?
Shatragan Ghat.
We're here for the Shatragan Ghat Aarti.
Yeah, an aarti is a prayer
Yes.
by the river. So they're going to be praying there.
It's dramatic music for biggest fire of them all.
Just when you thought the flames couldn't get any bigger,
Yeah.
they got
कहते हैं वहाँ संपर्क के बाद दान दे करके वहाँ से आप लोग रसीद मिलता है कि हम लोग माँ गंगा की स्वच्छता के लिए अपना सहयोग करेंगे। माँ गंगा की स्वच्छता और निर्मलता का हम लोग विशेष ध्यान रखेंगे। आप सबकी यात्रा मंगलमय हो, आप सबका जीवन मंगलमय हो, आप सभी को माँ गंगा का आशीर्वाद प्राप्त।
Jay,
Yes.
where are we going for dinner?
Shanty, shanty.
All right, let's go.
Shanty.
Oh, we found it. It's a girl.
Okay.
Hey, what did you think of the Shanty Cafe?
Great.
Yeah, why? What was good about it?
The drinks, the people, the staff, the everything, the upstairs, the view, the whatever.
Yeah, the people were very friendly, good
Yes.
pizza.
Yep.
All right, should we go home?
Yes. Hello everyone. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. And for you know, I am a boy, not a girl. I play guitar. Check out my other videos. See ya. Bye.